Okay, so I just want to show you guys using an image button. So it's just another way, or just to use buttons as used to use images as buttons. Um, Down here is where the image button is. You just drag it on, and then so this one I messed around with some of the properties. This one's a basic one. The one I just dragged it on. Um, and it has some of the default settings and stuff. So by default, it shows it has a background, a gray background. So to change that, you just go to background. Here, you could choose a color. I just searched transparent. And to set which image you actually want to choose, you go to source compat, click the three dots, and then your image will show up here. And I'll show you where to put your images. So when you have your images with Android, there are so many different screen sizes that you're gonna want different sizes, and you put each size. You have one, two, three, four, five, like just five basic sizes. There's a couple more, but those are the basic ones. And for MDPI is like the basic, the general, your default one, and then the rest are scaled based on which one it is. So low density is going to be 0.75 times, high density 1.7 times the size. And what I did was export it based on your editor, or based on your whatever you're using, Photoshop, Illustrator, Sketch. I exported the different sizes, and it let me easily do that. So once you create those and you export them, you're going to want to drag them into each one of these folders. If they're not there, create them. They're all going to want to be the same name, and in each one of these folders for the respective image size that you have. And then when you want to set which image it is, you're just going to do @drawable / that name of the image. And since since all the images in each folder is the same, you don't have to do anything else. And based on the size, well, the DPI of the screen, because there's different DPIs. So based on the screen size and the resolution, different DPIs, it'll make the buttons bigger and smaller. But since you have those different sizes, it'll automatically adjust just by calling @drawable and the name of the image. Also, just for some best practices and stuff, right here in the top right corner, it'll show warnings. So right here it says warning, hard-coded string swapped. Should use @string. Like I said last time, you want to put your strings in the string.xml. So to fix that, I would just go here to swapped, change the text, and I would want to change it to one that is specified. Or if you want to create a new one on the fly that's not there, you just add new string value. This resource name would be the key that you would use, and then the resource value would just be what actual text would be displayed there. So that'd be just swapped, and then that warning would go away. Then that other one's there. So for the image buttons, whoever's going to do the buttons for us, or just the design, whoever has those, we can use those and use the different sizes inside our app, and that's another way to like have styled buttons so they're not just the default one. That's it. Any questions?